Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're just going to do a quick update on how I'm getting on with iBots. You can see here 13 days ago I deposited another $250 into it. We're wanting to just kind of follow up on how we're getting on. So if we jump over here to the iBots dashboard, you can see here we're up to $35 in earnings. Total balance now at the moment is $535. Just remember that if you're in iBots, that your earnings still have to be either compounded, withdrawn, or claimed. They're not trading with it. So this is pretty much earnings that are locked in, not locked in, just in the platform. So you can see here, come to the end of the month, we are fast approaching. A few decent enough days, but I think I've read somewhere that we're only up around 3% or 2.5-3% or something like that for the month. My thoughts on it, don't mind too much. As I said, big thing there is you're up 3%. I'd much rather be up 3% than to be down. You can see there the different percentages. I'll try and zoom in here actually quickly. So you can see here the percentages of what we're after making. Today or yesterday it was 0.37, Monday was 0.17, and then obviously we have still another 2 or 3 days of trading to go before the month close. If we jump over to their Discord and pretty much jump into their announcements first, you can see here that regarding the bots, at the beginning of April they reduced the bots risk tolerance by 50%. We wanted to try and see could we still reach our monthly goal with way less risk. And as I always say, our top priority is capital preservation and safety first. Something I really like seeing is that after almost a month of testing, they decided to take it back what it was before. So obviously we're going to revert back to what they were trading basically the month before that. So if you look at the month of March, a lot higher gains. Obviously we had a 1.3% there, we had a lot of 3, so I think that month we were 6. I think it was up around 12 or 13 maybe percent. So it's not bad results obviously from that. And if we go back to that 13, even 10% range, I know they say it's between 5 and 15, I think it is. Range between 1 and 15%. So as I said, if we can get in around the 7, even the 7 to 10% range, I'll be extremely happy with that. As I said, the bag has grown slowly but surely. My aim here is to get this up to $1,000. So yeah, look, that's pretty much the big one. Obviously reverting back to what they were. You can see here the profit summary, or we look up bot results. So you can see here obviously the 25th of April, which was yesterday, or you're probably watching this video, so it was a few days ago. So it is 0.37%. I'm not bad gains, and again they are not bad. So there was the weekly profit last week was 0.66. So hopefully we can beat that. There's still a few days left in the week, and as I said, hopefully we can beat it. You can see here the bot value at the moment, we're almost up to 200,000, and from what I can make out, I think most of that is in the Forex trading side of things. So yeah, that's pretty much the big news with them. They have obviously the credit card thing, as if you're not aware of it yet. I still haven't set it up myself, but you will be able to use your credit card, or Visa debit card, basically what it is. So you'll get that and you can deposit your earnings onto your card, and from there you can use them like normal. Obviously there's going to be fees involved with that, so just pay attention to that. And there's a minimum deposit, and obviously the maximum has increased since my last video, because last video I think it was 500, or yeah, 500. Very simple to get into it, depositing into the bot. You can deposit into using USDT only. Obviously you can use that from the BSC, the AVAX, or Polygon's chain. Deposit straight into this contract, this address, and then within 24 hours it'll be in your bot's value. So I did notice this. It took me about 2 hours, I think, the last time I put the 250 into it. So it's not too bad and it's quick enough. But if you do this coming to the weekend now, you're obviously not going to get any trades until next week. So as I said, if you're looking to get involved in it, I'll leave a link in the description. You can go and check it all out and see what you think yourself. But try and deposit in obviously Friday, Saturday time, and hopefully you'll be set up for the start of the new month with increased trading range, trading amounts, trading risk, I say, increasing it basically. So yeah, that's pretty much it for iBots. As I said, all the link for Discord and all that can be found in there from their website. So I leave the link for the website and all that there. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks very much for taking the time and watching it, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye.